Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing the unboxing of Cosmic Byte keyboard GK-03 काली आँख वाला कीबोर्ड. और इसमें 13 बैकलाइट्स मोड है, बैकलाइट इफेक्ट्स है और उसमें मल्टीमीडिया फंक्शन, स्पेशल फीचर्स, इसमें सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. सो गाइज यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड रीड द मैनुअल. सो लेट्स गेट टू द पैकेज. सो दिस इज द रेड thumb grip, not thumb grip, palm grip, sorry. So this is used to place our palms so we can comfortably play the game, enjoy it. This is totally matte. Yeah, it's matte. It's a red color, dark red. It's look beautiful. It look beautiful. Yeah. Keep it aside. This is the key. Means remover. You can remove the key like this. So let's keep it aside. Now let's move to the keyboard. Okay, here comes the keyboard.
It's a little bit heavy here. It's heavier than the usual ones because it's mechanical and it's made of aluminium.
So let's keep this box aside. So now guys, let's let this beast take out from the cover. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wow, it's so nice. It's really heavy. It's really heavy, but it's nice. We have give the branding over here. You can see Cosmic Byte. Yeah. Here are the stands. It sounds very hard, but it quickly knows that we have opened it. See? Okay, and this one. So now talking about the wire or the USB, it's of gold plating. You can see this. And this wire are of good material and it seems good. So let's see the sound. Oh, it sounds premium, guys. And guys, at last it attached. Whew. So it's comfortable. So this is the way you keep your palms on this keyboard and type or play the game. So let's do the lightning.
So guys, we have attached the keyboard to the CPU. So this how it looks.
So let's see the backlight 13 modes. So here comes the first one. Breathing mode. It looks pretty good. It's nice. Here comes the second. Waves. It's my favorite one. This looks pretty good, huh? Yeah. It looks pretty nice. And the reflection also is too good. This one. Yeah. Let's come to the third one. Sorry, this. Okay. Wave number 2. It's also good, not that bad. Fourth. Nothing. Let's go to the fifth one. Okay. Oh, damn! This is nice. This is nice. So it's cool. So let's come to the sixth one. Okay guys, if you want to change this color, then press fun and function and home. See.
Hi guys, so here in
Again you
Toronto,
change, the color changes.
April 7th at the
Again.
All ages, acoustic, and it's going to be really fun. I hope to meet some of you guys and see some of you guys there.
Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, this is the reverse one. Yeah. Home. This is also cool. Okay. Green is also good. Let's go to 7th. Okay. Not that good. Nothing, this is the normal one I want. Change the color, simple. Okay, this is the next one. See. This color changes. P. Just TP. So let's go to the 8th. What's this? Okay, fade in, fade out. This is the mode that only we have to type and the color will glow. बस इतना ही मिलेगा. और ये क्या है? Okay, fade out. This is the fade out pattern. Change the color. Not that. Next. It's feel like the lighting in Diwali place. एक चलेगा उसके बाद भी एक जलेगा. ये नहीं पसंद अपन को. Okay guys, these were the all 13 modes we seen in today's video. So guys, I might 13 hours over. Yeah, 13 hours over. Yes, 13 hours over all. So guys, please do like the video, share the video to everyone, to the gamers, to family and everyone, and please subscribe to the channel and support me as much as you can.